Yeah, what's happening? Welcome back to my channel. And as you see my previous video about this lovely Maxton designed front splitter, and I said myself, I don't know about the skirts and stuff like this, should I buy some or not really? Yeah, guess what I did? I paid £180 for them, Maxton obviously as well. I have to do it, so let's get another video. It's very straightforward. I mean, guys, I'm not going to even explain nothing in here. You got the skirts, obviously we're going to figure out which is the right side, which is the left side. We got 10 bolts like this. Basically they come with a couple of stickers and basically these two skirts, and jack your car up, make nice and straight, and just drill the bloody holes. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, so there's nothing to explain really. You got the whole places, or probably they go in here, so that's what we're gonna do. So we got 10 bolts, 10 screws each side. That's all together is 20, so 10 each side. Basically it's up to you. Make sure it's nice and solid, and yeah, so let's crack on. Okie, I did this side already, and to be honest, I'm not too sure about the camera, but that looks just amazing. It does match up with the front splitter, Maxton design obviously, with the side skirt, and with these nice 20-inch black alloys. I mean, I absolutely love it, and I actually didn't think it would look so good, but yeah, I do like it, and it does make car look more sharp, I would say. Brilliant. So let's show us, because I didn't show you how to put that end on. We got one point down here. Fitments are very easy, to be honest. The only struggle is jack, because we know on these A7s the jack is a little bit tricky, so you have to improvise a little bit, which I'll show you. And on the future as well, with these skirts, to use your original jack, it will be pain in the ass, but it can be done with the little extensions and things like this. And yeah, so let's crack on and let me show you how to put them on. It's pretty easy. Basically what we do, I jack the car up, put this skirt into basically my original skirt, line it up, drill one screw up there, one screw in the middle, one screw up there when it's nice and lined up, you know, when it's straight in the line, and basically just drill them screws. It's simple. It's, to be honest, the biggest part is to get your jack up. Just to show you example, let me get this strapped in here. So basically I was using something just like that, if you see, because I need this extension, because otherwise you couldn't get your skirt on in here. So it goes nicely in here as well, nicely in. So now we're going to use something basically to lift this one up, make it nice and straight, and try to put the screws on. Easy task. So I did something just like that to make sure the skirt is like on. And now we're going to do with this end, I make it nice and straight. The place I want it to actually skirt, drill one screw up there. I move to the middle, screw one up there, and then I move to the front, I screw one on there. And that's just going to go step by step again to drill a couple of more. Altogether we got 10 each side. Boys like this, but I probably what I'm going to do, they hold pretty nice, but sometimes I go Germany and the speeds are pretty high. In worst case scenario, I'm gonna put my some more screws in. I will show you later on, just to make sure, you know, it's nice and tight and you got no issues with it at all. So let's crack on and start to drill things on. So that's it then. I use 8mm screws in here, and also these boys in here. Hello, went through the line. I mean, it's definitely nice and solid now. Let's clean all this stuff out and lower it down. Let's remove all this stuff. Edges are very nice. I mean, these Maxton design parts from the beginning, I think that was costing too much money, but I do understand why, because they fit just perfect. And that's how it looks. I think it looks brilliant. I think it looks nice and amazing.